Here I am in Schoology, and I want to post a link for my Microsoft Teams video call. I'll be doing this for each of my classes, and I also need to post that link in Microsoft Teams as well. Here's how you do that. First, open up your desktop Outlook app. We don't want to open webmail. We want to click down here and type Outlook, and then click on this icon. Once Outlook opens, you will see your mail, but what you want to do is click on the calendar button. It may be over here on the left or maybe down at the bottom. Next, click the purple New Teams Meeting button. And let me know if you don't see that button. There's a way to get it to show up. Before we copy this link, we will hold Control on our keyboard, and while holding Control, I left-click with my mouse on Meeting Options. This should open a web browser, but if you don't see one open, you can click down here and try to see if it's somewhere down below. Once the page loads, change Who Can Present to Only Me. Who Can Bypass the Lobby should remain on People in My Organization. Click Save. Now that we're finished setting the meeting options, Teams will remember these permissions, so I can close the website. Let me go back down to Outlook at the bottom here and click on the rightmost item to access that invitation I've created. We're not going to send this invitation. We're not going to put in dates and times. I'm going to right-click on this text, Join Microsoft Teams Meeting, and then I'm going to simply copy the link that would have been sent to the students. We click Copy Hyperlink, and at this point, we can actually close out of this invitation and we don't have to save our changes. Just make sure you've copied the link correctly before you do this. Now in my Schoology page, I'll click Add Materials, Add File/Link, Link, and I paste that link right here, and I give it a name. And then I click Add. Just a quick note, when students click on this, this is what they'll see. They'll think it's not working. All they need to do is click one more time on Teams Meeting, this blue text, and then it will load the Teams call and they can open it on their iPad app. That's how they need to get in. In addition, I need to paste the same link down here in Teams. I'm pasting this link for IB Physics and I have to be consistent. So I go down here and I say, click here to join class. And then I paste the link once more and I hit enter to post this message. That's all there is to it. Once you've posted the link in IB Physics or your first class, you come back to Outlook, you hit this button again, and you repeat the same procedure. Control and then click on Meeting Options while holding Control. Oops, my Chrome lit up, so let me click here and then go to the rightmost item, change the permissions, save. Then you can close this site, come back over to Outlook and find that meeting invitation, right-click and copy hyperlink, then hit the X. No need to save changes. Go to your next class, add materials, add link. There it is. Paste that link and add the next title. Join Teams Call, eBlock, whatever it may be. It's really important that we keep on going back to Outlook, and it's important that we hit New Teams Meeting every time. We need different links for different classes. Speaking of different classes, some of us link different sections together if we have multiple blocks of the same class. In that case, you'll do what you see here. You'll paste those links for each class in the same spot, Then you can click the gear and hit Edit. And if you select Sections to Customize under Availability, you can check both boxes, click off on the white space, and say, OK, eBlock will only see the Section 1 link. So I save changes. And now only Section 1, which is eBlock, can see this link. Gear, Edit, and I customize here as well. And I only let dBlock be visible to Section 3, which is dBlock for me. And that's how you can set this up for linked classes. Thanks for watching this video.